Ona budi ni na mama na ye. Family na mama ni na mama.
Ebusia Blakk Rasta eko kwa pai wa dwasi ose won tiase se Sammy Gyamfi akwache Agradaa Dallas ewo Ghana heye na amanfo nenye ebianya akukuduro ese defend Sammy Gyamfi odwene ho a won tiase se yenya lawyers kache Sammy Gyamfi se ontumuna na dia waye no onye bone biase o chiska in fact Blakk Rasta abefaya wa fire Sammy Gyamfi na nkasa na omu defend de o kirem se omu ye Anîmals aha Penyah Block Media. Meso say any demo. Obeda ke video no other one. Over subscribe button, subscribe the keep notification icon of latest update. Now ba chere wa nyu ma me e wo comment. Shima so ba so na shire mo so nya bi ahwe. Obeka ya Sammy Gyamfi ene Kwame Sefakai e benya issue for defamation. Sammy Gyamfi kwa kan simbia na enya no kure efa Kwame Sefakai ho on Peace FM. Ere ku twa ntro to ne so. Ema Sammy Gyamfi Sefakai ka kire ne se Sammy unyi ne ba politics na wo to be twantura na so be kan asem a enim eto so say wudin a you understand how the power lies obeti ase next time o kasa o say obi din a obehwe yie
nyai keke obi say wudin da ho ana obi kan asem ntia o da nye no kre. You're growing in politics, in public life. One day obi di ya obeti ase when really all you have left is your name, your reputation. Today it may seem very trivial to you. I will say a trivial idea, but one fine day you will understand. Especially when your children are growing up, you're married, or lawyer konenim, and I believe I know you're a smart guy. Or lawyer juma konenim, politics konenim. Now we cast him for no credit. You will understand why I'm doing what I'm doing today. And yeah, somewhere da. You know the saying that social media doesn't forget.
No.
One day somebody will Google my name and that story will appear. Yeah. So it is not trivial. And yeah, somebody trim na me trim. So yes, sir.
Shaman.
As even Kwame Sefakai kan you know. That time, you know, a campaign time. But as anti Sammy Gyamfi of ansem kwasi akeka eja or power ti or kasa baby with sharp teeth. Na no chabe. One fan say any say or be a good boy charmer ya. We the new bin a work trying to so camera and I suppose you know.
Ona budi ni na mama na ye. Family na mama ni na mama. Honorable. That was Sammy Gyamfi. Yes. Who say woman? Monday. Mommy, our
Akoma Agradaa Dallas is our dollar mine or te Ghana ha. O see this never so be any so odi Dallas. Sammy Gyamfi $80 all of a sudden. Ye Tobama wa obey good boy chairman 4 months in office. What to Rolls Royce 2025 model car now what timono. Sa car now di Dallas o yi Dallas free ma Agradaa. 2025 model Rolls Royce brand new 4 months in office. What to Rolls Royce no dan chain. O che Dallas. But as I say comes for a can you know. A prophecy and I say Sammy Gyamfi eden su hie na se be ba na amanfo bedubi na no defend it. What I say uko media no so e be defend ama even lawyer bi kura besi o Sammy Gyamfi ntumu na lawyer was I MP or change so Sammy Gyamfi ntumu na after all onku nipa onye bone bi enti no on forget it san sense we na kwaso nyina no Blakk Rasta abechere na adwene na in fact fire party wa be fire bi pay.
I'm so disappointed in my friend Xavier Sosu. Dash him away. Bring Edoji Temaklo back. After being disappointed in Xavier Sosu, I'm also disappointed in this one too called Temaklo. Dash him away. Now, my brother, my sister, let's deal with the MP first. What has Francis Xavier Sosu said concerning the issue of Sammy Gyamfi? Sammy Gyamfi is the CEO of the Gold Board. He is a communicator par excellence for the NDC. He's one of the people that I truly love. He's an intelligentsia. He's full of wisdom. I love this gentleman. My brother, my sister. But even him has disappointed me. That's my. Sammy Gyamfi dollar gift saga. You committed no crime. The haters are hurt. And this is Francis Xavier Sosu. Run it, my youth. Now, the member of parliament from Medina, Francis Xavier Sosu, has taken to social media in defense of the acting Ghana Gold Board CEO Sammy Gyamfi, following growing public backlash over a controversial dollar gift to self-styled evangelist and former fetish priestess Patricia Oduro Kuramting, popularly known as Nana Agradaa. Now, the incident, captured in a viral video, shows Mr. Gyamfi handing over dollar notes to Nana Agradaa, a gesture that has sparked widespread public criticism and raised concerns about the conduct of public office holders. The footage has sparked a firestorm on social media, with critics questioning the appropriateness of such a gesture, particularly under the current economic climate. That's the key word. Mr. Gyamfi has since apologized for the incident. Nonetheless, he has been summoned by the Chief of Staff, Julius Deborah, over the matter. That's a big plus. It means the nation is working. In a post shared on Facebook on May 12th, the Medina MP posted a message aimed at distractors, insisting that Sammy Gyamfi had done nothing wrong. Run it, and this man is a lawyer. It is well. You committed no crime. The haters are hurt. They can't believe that God can lift and bless you, such that you can become a blessing unto others. Leave them. Let them do their worst. We got you. God has your back. Stay focused and blessed. Mr. Sosu wrote. And this is what he wrote. And then he put out a photo of this brother here. At the time everybody is talking about the dollar gift, he decides to put up this, even though he did not go straight away to say the dollar gift that you gave out. Everything about this post is unambiguous. It's straight to the point. He is talking about the Sammy Gyamfi Agradaa issue. That is what this lawyer is saying. Shall we look at the footage? Watch this. This is Agradaa, and she's saying hi to Sammy Gyamfi. Sammy Gyamfi goes into his car because she asks for money. And look at the other people clamoring around them. Maybe they want their share as well. Now the cameraman is doing the needful. He's moved straight into the car. There is Sammy Gyamfi counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. He started counting before we did. And she asked for the rest of the money. Just give me everything. Now look at the stash of notes that she's holding. That is not my concern. Whether it is $2, $1, $20, or $1 million, that's not my business. Dash this away. From another angle, somebody filmed it. We are not going to show that today. And you will see from the beginning the counting. But again, that is not my focus. I'm not bothered about how much was given out. I will look at that another day. Agradaa said it was $800. It doesn't matter even if it was $2. The most important thing, my brother, my sister, is that your party just came into power after some horrendous 8 years of dictatorship, foolishness, and cowardice by the Nana Akufo-Addo Bawumia government, coupled with arrogance. Ghanaians got so angry, they chased out these demons, broke statues that had anything to do with these demons, and brought you in. My brother, Ghanaians are still grappling with the 8 years of hunger because it's early days yet. Fortunately, your team started working very hard. The dollar has started coming down. Inflation has started coming down. Bloomberg has said that the Ghana cedi is the surprise, in fact, currency now in the world. The hardest working. All credit given to this government, Mahama and his people. My brother, my sister, doomsaw is still looming. We still have pockets of Ghana going off and on. Today I read in the newspapers that Cosmos Energy is now going to invest a lot of money in Ghanaian power. That is a plus, my brother, my sister. But until then, we still have pockets of Ghana going off and on. Doomsaw. We don't want a return of doomsaw. Mahama will not sit down and watch this, and we already fired the warning shots. Mahama is bent on living a legacy. My brother, the Ghana cedi deteriorated to the point that even politicians in Ghana no longer wanted to see the Ghana cedi. They were gifting people dollars in the days of Nana Akufo-Addo. If I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. Asamoah Gyan's issue. Remember Asamoah Gyan's issue with Bawumia? That some money was given to Asamoah Gyan to endorse the NPP and Bawumia and whatever. They quoted dollars. My brother, for a nation to do well, we have to de-dollarize it. Can you hear that? De-dollarize it and be able to stand firm on our 2 feet. My brother, you just came into power. When you were in opposition, we didn't see you gifting dollars all over the place and all that. We saw you on TV, we heard you on radio and all that. Maybe you did it without cameras pointing at you. Today, you're going to give a gift, and it's the dollar that you are giving out. The dollar that we are trying to de-dollarize the nation of. My brother, it's a crime against the nation. It's a shame that government appointees, especially the one who is dealing with our gold, when Gaddafi was in power, he wanted to change our currency into what? Gold dinar, the whole of Africa. Gold is powerful. You are flashing dollar notes in front of the gold board. Imagine Trump holding Ghana cedis, or an American lawmaker holding Ghana cedis, or an American government appointee of their biggest commodity, their gold or their cocoa in America, holding Ghana cedi notes. Can you imagine what kind of PR it will do for the Ghana cedi? Ghana cedi will all of a sudden jump, pow, because Americans are now flouting Ghana cedis. That's the common sense. For Xavier to talk like this, he makes me feel like he's a little toddler with no sense. They have no sense of patriotism. He's my brethren, so I'm going to keep all those tough words off it. But it doesn't show that this guy has sense. How can an appointee of the president of the nation, an appointee over the most important commodity of the land, cocoa, no, gold, yes. This country used to be called Gold Coast. Sammy Gyamfi is in charge of the gold presently as we speak in Ghana, and he's flaunting American dollars. What are you telling the rest? It is good to save in dollars. It is good to have dollars on you. What happens to the Ghana cedi? It's almost like waving the American flag in Ghana. That's what Sammy Gyamfi has done. And idiots think that he hasn't done anything wrong. I don't get it. What Sammy Gyamfi has done is like waving an American flag at a Ghana independence parade, or a British flag. Those people we got our independence from, those who took us through hell, this is their flag we are waving on the day that we are celebrating our independence. What a shame. It's like your father has been killed, and at the funeral of your father, you are waving the picture of the murderer. You must be an idiot. Francis Xavier Sosu says that Sammy Gyamfi has committed no crime. It's God who has blessed him, and the blessing is what? That he has come into power. Now he has access to the taxpayers' money and some other such favors, right? You are idiots, all of you. No common sense. How can you think like this? Where is the patriotism? These guys are telling Sammy Gyamfi that he hasn't done anything wrong. Drink Edward Chloe. He's a lawyer, right? He's a lawyer. I've listened to him several times on TV, on radio, and he makes a lot of sense. He's one of the brethren that I like. What is he also saying? Run it, my youth. Watch this. Sammy Gyamfi has not violated the code of conduct. What is the code of conduct? The one that the president brought out. Watch this. Speaking on Sammy Gyamfi's gift to Agradaa, Edoji Tamaklu conveyed that Gyamfi did not breach the code of conduct, but they nonetheless apologize and seek the forgiveness of Ghanaians.
My brother, immediately this matter was brought to his attention. Less than 24 hours has publicly come out to apologize to the good people of this country, that he acknowledges the fact that this thing has dropped not properly with the sensibilities of Ghanaians. And to the extent that this has come to his attention, he's not going to justify what has happened. So he had rendered unqualified apology to the good people of this country, and also His Excellency the President. I strongly believe that that is the way to go. There's a typical saying in Ewe that the man who carries the box to the riverside
My brother, my sister, that's Edoji Tamaklo talking. It's quite lengthy. The tape is a little lengthy. But what he said is simple. Oh, we are sorry for whatever has happened. We are asking for the forgiveness of Ghanaians, even though he has not breached the code of conduct. What kind of apology is that? Even though I'm not wrong, I seek forgiveness from you. Forgiveness for what? If you're not guilty, you don't have to apologize. A sad Edoji Tamaklo is also going to. What is a code of conduct without patriotism? Any code of conduct that does not hinge on patriotism is whack, is balderdash. Any code of conduct that is not foundationed on patriotism, my brother, is balderdash, is hogwash. So what is the guy saying? He has not breached any code of conduct. Is the code of conduct bigger than the constitution? Is it bigger than the patriotism of Ghana? That's all I'm asking. My brother, Edoji Tamaklo would have been wiser, or would have been seen to be wiser, if he had said, you know what? What Sammy Gyamfi did could have been avoided. He has apologized. We are asking all Ghanaians for forgiveness. Henceforth, we will be better people. It was a mistake. We will deal with it. But to try and support it in a way, defend it in a way, as if to say that, listen, the code of conduct has nothing to do with patriotism. What Sammy Gyamfi has done is against patriotism. So what are these little boys saying? What are these little rats saying? I don't get it. Hey, when it comes to Ghana, if you disrespect the motherland, you are a rat. It doesn't matter my relationship with you. Now look at the apology that Sammy Gyamfi put out on Facebook. Do we have it? My brother, look at the apology and tell me if this is an apology. He himself is not remorseful. He doesn't understand the tenets of patriotism. He doesn't. This is what he put out. Himself. He said, folks, I have taken notice of the wave of criticisms against my person in the last 24 hours. And by person is saying that he's individualized it. He's not even looking at the bigger picture of Ghana. He says his person, not his conduct. His person, it means it's personal. Do you get it? Oh, your long nose. Oh, your big mouth. That is a criticism of the person's person. It's personal. He is not talking about the conduct, his conduct. He's saying people are criticizing his person. They have personalized it. Say, who were you 4 years ago? All of a sudden you can give dollars. That's critique of person. That's what he's saying. To clarify, this was simply a kind gesture to a fellow human being. Nobody said it was a gesture to an animal. He's trying to justify the fact that he helped a human being. No matter what people are saying, therefore, it's okay. It's a human being. Watch this. Now, in line with my daily and lifelong custom of lending a helping hand to people in need, I sincerely thought I was doing this act of kindness in private. So, Guy does not still understand that whether it's done in private or in public, it is still against the tenets of patriotism in Ghana. You don't dash out dollars to people in Ghana when the only legal tender there is Ghana cedi. How many people understand what I'm saying? You don't do that. You don't do that. It doesn't help us. The people are going to change it. And when they go, they are going to be looking for what? The highest rates. They will move from 20 forex bureaus to about 80 forex bureaus because they are looking for the highest rates. If I'm lying, tell me I'm lying. You know what that does? If people bring dollars into this forex bureau and they say no, and they move, they try to adjust their rates so they can get more dollars. That's what Sammy Gyamfi has done. I sincerely thought I was doing this act of kindness in private and never imagined that same could find its way into the public space. This is unfortunate and regrettable. Regrettable in the sense that it found itself in the public space. That's his regret. I must say that I understand the uproar of this gesture I understand the uproar that this gesture has generated, particularly from comrades who are sincerely hurt by saying. Who are the comrades? I'm one of those. To all such comrades, I am sincerely sorry. And he put that in capital letters. For this unfortunate act of indiscretion, I respect and appreciate your views. Yes, you appreciate our views. But what are your own views? That if you had done that in private, it would have been okay? Is that your view? My profound appreciation goes to all those who have reached out to counsel and encourage me. I am most grateful for your solidarity. If they had given you wise counsel, I'm not sure your first 3 paragraphs would have read like this. They haven't. If they had given you wise counsel, your first paragraph would have been, Ghana, an unfortunate incident happened. I do not know how it happened, but I want to apologize for every centimeter of that journey. At a time that we are grappling with dealing with the dollar, I shouldn't have encouraged the use of the dollar in my country. I apologize for this. That's how you should have read. Not, oh, the money I gave it to a human being. After giving it to a human being, because that is what I do. It's in my nature to help people, so I helped. And again, I thought it was in private, but it came out. I regret for that. You didn't get wise counsel, brother. This is not how your apology should have read.
Chirajo mame ewo comments. We didn't say more Blakk Rasta abeka concerning Sammy Gyamfi or $10. Na manfo e defend no. Sammy Gyamfi ni mumra o claim say woni mumra intelligent guy o ni mumra ni mode. Woni mo say yentna Ghana ha. Na yen spend $1 as a government official. No, we don't do that. As a government official, you say yen spend $1 for crew. We eschew opulent, as Mahama said. But Sammy Gyamfi has gone contrary to that code of conduct. And the Ghanaians are calling on Mahama say, one our set code of conduct. Wow, or darling baby boy, Sammy Gyamfi, we're breaching. What are you doing to that? Are you going to sack him? And I said, day now obey. Obey, any Mahama. Tirajo mame ewo comment section. Hi, Penyah Blakk Media Macro.